Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can install and download VMware on your PC for free. First up, you need to go to VMware website and you need to open up your browser and you need to search up VMware Workstation Pro download. And then you need to open a broadcam/VMware official website, and then you need to sign in or create account, and then you gotta press on click download. After that, you have to sign in with a broadcam or VMware account and then create one. If you don't have it, it's for free. Just go ahead and download VMware Workstation Pro and choose VMware Workstation Pro for Windows. Click download, and the final size should be around 600 to 700 megabytes. And then run the installer, open download file, click next, and then accept the license agreement, and then click next again. After that, you have to choose installation options. Leave the default settings, it's recommended, just optional. If you want to check add to pad, just simply press on install and then finish installation. After that, you need to press on click finish and restart your PC if it is asking for it, and then need to activate free license. Open VMware Pro. When asked for license, select use for personal use, it's for free. Continue, no key needed. You can now create virtual machines, install Windows, Linux, etc. and use VMware Workstation Pro fully personal use. So this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helps you out. I will see you soon in the next one.